based on లేకపోతే student based on okay.
Yeah, right. So let's take a company, okay? So let's say
Okay.
company. Company could be, you take mobile. Yeah, mobile
Yeah.
also fine. Yeah, exactly.
Mobile and model numbers. Model names.
Okay, mobile first of all, mobile domain or case study on mobile, right? Okay, okay. When you're talking about mobile, okay, we will discuss about mobile, guys. Okay, randomly we will discuss about what mobile having, and based on that we will decide what are the attributes, what are the behavior of the mobile and all, right? We will decide. Okay, first thing is
Okay.
identify, in order to deal with mobile we should know, right, what mobile is actually. Hello, mobile is our problem, right? Through software we want to simulate our real world mobile. Okay,
Okay.
so here the mobile contains basically some parameters, right, guys? Mobile is width, right? Let's say OS. First thing is OS, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the attributes in the mobile? First of all, you will find out the attributes. Okay,
Okay.
attributes. Attributes is nothing but the data variables, right, guys?
Yeah. Like
So
properties.
yeah, first thing is the each mobile having one operating system, right? OS. Operating system. Operating system in the, it could be Android or Lollipop. There are different flavors, right, altogether.
Yes, sir.
Apple OS is different or something. Okay,
Windows. iOS.
yeah, iOS or something. Next thing is, after that, the screen, right, guys? Screen type.
Screen size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first we look at the hardware. After that we will discuss about other stuff. Okay, operating system and processor, right?
Yes.
Processor could be type and the capacity of the processor. Okay, let's say Intel processor, some processor. Okay,
Okay.
so next thing is about the battery capacity, right? Battery, basically battery type. Okay, what type of battery it is? Lithium ion battery, or like that we have different kind of batteries, right?
Yeah.
Okay, capacity of battery. Okay, capacity is okay. Let's keep it simple. Okay, processor and battery type. Next is let's think these all are like hardware, and after that RAM, right? Main stuff.
Yeah.
RAM size, right? RAM size. After that, memory card, right, guys? Memory. Let's see, inbuilt memory, right? Basically this one. ROM.
Yes,
We
sir.
call it as a ROM, right? So and extendable ROM also will be there, right?
Yes, sir. Memory card.
Hello, guys. Pawan, you understood this point? Extendable memory card. Up to some GB, right?
Yes.
To some GB. Yeah. So next thing is, these are like hardware level, right? These all are did you get the sound? Any sound?
Yeah.
Sorry, sorry. I try to mute it. Yeah. Okay. These are assume okay. These are hardware, right? Basically, let's say.
Yeah.
Hardware. Every phone having these all, right? Basically. So next thing about the appearance, right? The panel, body panel. Let's say screen, right? Screen stuff. Body panel in the sense what you are seeing, right? The functionality it is providing and all, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So here the thing is like camera also comes under the hardware, right guys?
Yeah.
Camera pixels, right, basically.
అవునండి.
Camera pixels. So we will specify either to 2M 30 12 MB, what
64 megapixel.
megapixel, like that. Okay, 17
Okay.
megapixel, 20 megapixel, like that. To you can specify the pixel. Okay, assume like these all are that. After that, in the body panel, what you are seeing, the screen, right guys?
Yes, sir.
Screen type, there are some types of screens, right? Gorilla screen, normal LED
AMOLED.
screen,
Yeah, for the touch.
right? We
Yeah.
have those screen type. Okay, each mobile having one screen, right, basically.
Yes.
And body screen type is okay. Body height, based on the body height and all, only screen type will adjust, right? Body height, width also, right there guys? Body width. Hello, body means the phone dimensions. Okay, now what is the height of the phone, what is the width of the phone and all. Okay,
Okay.
and battery can be removable battery or not, right? Is removable. Some batteries cannot remove, right?
Recently,
No, no.
and we removed.
All phones cannot remove. Okay, let's remove this factor, right? Not required. Okay, body panel. Next thing is body panel is there.
Fingerprint body panel కింద వస్తుంది.
Yeah. Next thing is
fingerprint specification.
fingerprint support. Okay, na? Fingerprint support. One minute, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Mobile OS. Okay, so we know how to create the object of this class and all, right? But I am not going to create it. Okay, because everyone know about it. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next thing is operating system is okay. Okay,
Can we add hardware in dual SIM or single SIM? That is also an object, you know.
yeah. So mobile hardware. Okay, this is software,
yeah.
right? This is
Yeah,
software.
yes.
Okay, next thing is we can have a base class called mobile hardware. Okay, na?
Hardware.
Mobile hardware. So this is also super class, right, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Diff __ init. Diff __ init. If it is a hardware, what do we consider as hardware? Let's say motherboard. Let's see. Processor, battery type. Battery type is okay. RAM size, ROM, extensible memory card. These we can camera pixels. These we can consider as hardware. Hello?
Battery capacity.
Yeah. Okay, these we consider as a hardware. Let's say phone hardware. Okay, if it is a phone hardware, you can say processor, right? First thing is processor, comma. What is the next thing? What we discussed here?
RAM.
RAM.
processor, RAM, ROM, extensible
Battery type.
memory card. Okay,
Battery type.
processor, RAM, ROM,
ROM.
Battery.
External memory. External.
external
Memory.
okay, external memory.
Mem.
And
Battery
Bat-
type. Battery specification.
battery type, let's say a normal battery and lithium ion battery. Okay, let's consider two types. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Is there anything to discuss here? I think those are enough.
Dual
details,
SIM
right?
or
Hello, guys.
Yeah, that I think that's enough.
Battery type, not types. Okay, now battery type. Okay. Yes, pass. So in mobile hardware, all hardware related actions should be available, right, guys?
yes.
Let's say sometimes I want to find all the details of the hardware. Okay, na, with one call. Sometimes I just want to know the type of the battery. Okay, only how much it supports external memory. Okay, understood now?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's save these all details in the, let's save all these details in the child class. Okay, I prefer to store these class members like this. Okay, whichever I feel like you don't want to override. These are not going to be updated by some external party, right, guys? Because these are fixed
Yeah.
to mobile, right? While creating mobile, we will decide these all, right?
Yes.
So public access not required for them, right? It's kind of security, right? Hardware.
Yes.
Processor self dot underscore RAM is equal to RAM, right? Self dot underscore
Yes.
ROM is equal to, ROM is a memory, right? Physical drive. ROM. RAM is the random memory. Okay, now two types of memories.
Yes.
Self dot underscore external memory. Okay, external memory. Next thing is battery type. Okay, now battery type also cannot be changed, right? Once we build the mobile, real mobile.
Yes.
Yes.
So it is also can consider as a private variable here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So because while creating while factory also, mobile companies also, while creating, they will decide, right, which mobile it is, what is the hardware and all. After that, we cannot change that hardware, right? In order to
Yes,
extend the
yes.
hardware, they will come up with some new mobile, right? New version of the mobile. Understood, Nama?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm keeping them as a private. So once you create the, once if you use this, initialize this stuff with the mobile while making mobile, these are fixed to the mobile. Okay, na? Any mobile. So in order to do that, they should create a new they should come up with a new version of mobile to extend the hardware, right?
Yes.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Next thing is get hardware details. Okay, na? Here it is OS details. Here it is hardware details. So in mobile, we have to verify that what are the hardware details of my, what is the hardware details of my mobile, right? Basically. Hello.
Yes.
So anyhow, these details cannot be accessed outside. So you can simply expose these all data with help of these methods, right, guys? Properties or methods. So
Yes.
this one you can define it as a property instead of method.
Yeah.
Understood now?
Yes.
Here also you can define property instead of method, because this is not
Properties.
actually the function call, right? We are just getting the data, hardware data. We can have a function call also, but it's okay, right? Hardware details, we are getting more than one. Okay, let's keep it to property. Return, it is a from functional property. It is going to return some data, right, guys?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
here we have a dictionary. Okay, in this dictionary we are going to have a processor. What is the processor, guys? Self dot underscore processor, right? We cannot
sir.
access like this because
Yes.
the scope is available inside this function only. After that, this data is assigned to this variable, right? We can access only with this variable data. Okay, now
Okay.
Okay.
next, what is that, guys? RAM, right? What is the
Yeah.
RAM of the my phone? Underscore. This one is will act as a parent class, right? Any phone can inherit from this class, right? Any company, anywhere.
Yes.
The company hardware will vary, basically. That's it, right? Yeah. RAM.
RAM.
Okay. ROM. Phone is equal to self dot underscore. Row. Everyone able to follow my use case?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. External memory. Okay. ext self dot underscore external memory. Next thing is the battery type, right?
Yes.
Battery
Yes.
type.
Type.
Sometimes I am
Type.
using. It could be he can take anything as a key, right? So I better
Yes.
follow. Better. Normally we follow normal small case only. For understanding, I am getting in the big case, big letter. Dot underscore battery type, right?
Battery type.
Yes.
That's it, right? Hardware details. If you want only specific details, you don't want all the details that time. Let's say you just want to know the details of the extended support memory. Okay, external memory support. Diff get external memory capacity, right? Memory card capacity. Understood, Nama?
Capacity.
Yeah.
So this could be the property, right? Right? Property. So if it is a external memory, you can simply return self dot underscore external, right? External memory.
Yeah.
Okay, like this, if you want any, what is the battery type, you just want to know, you can simply call that method. Okay, now frequently we need this method, right? Basically, how much memory, which capacity memory card you can insert in the phone and all, right? So that's why I implemented this. Okay. So mobile, this one will act as a one parent class. This one is act as parent class. Each class dealing with one specific functionality, right, guys? Each class is having a single responsibility, right?
Yes.
So hardware stuff is dealing with hardware. Okay, now software OS stuff dealing with OS. Okay. So next thing is mobile, right? Actual mobile. And the body, right? Panel. Mobile panel also required, right? Can you define a one class for that? One super class for that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because that is not going to that one is going to wherever we go, the panel will be same, right? For every mobile almost. Height, width, and all something, right?
Yes.
Okay. So class, let me copy those all. First thing is, let me copy this panel stuff from here. to understand, what things we have to define, we'll get to know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here I'm basically what I'm doing is I'm going to create a class called
Class
mobile
body.
mobile
Body.
body, right? Mobile body. I'm not going to inherit from any class. Okay, this is independent class, right? It is only
Yes.
going to deal with mobile body. Understood now? So if it is a mobile
Okay.
body,
Yeah.
we have to define a initializer, right?
Yeah, construct.
Why constructor? Because mobile to mobile, this data will vary, right?
Yeah.
That's why we need
Yes.
initializer, right? If it is instance variables, data will vary phone to phone, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Screen underscore type, comma, screen type, comma, body height, comma,
Body
height.
width, comma.
These all will be decided by a manufacturer, right, guys? Hello?
Yes.
Screen type, body height, body width will be decided by manufacturer of the mobile, right?
Yes, sir.
Fingerprint is hardware or software? Okay, let's define here for some time being. Okay, now
That.
fingerprint, comma, color. Okay. Okay. Hello. So we
Yes,
have to
sir.
keep this data in the mobile
Yes.
self, right? So then only we can access this data in the what you can say. This is also fixed, right? This is not going to vary, right? Once we build the mobile, this data is not going to be updated, right? Guys, once manufacturer
yes.
they made the product, right? It is ready to market. You can't change the things, right? The body color, height, and or something. So it is also
Yes.
private. Okay, we should not allow them to override it, right? Screen type equal to screen type self dot underscore body underscore GI height, body height. Okay, next what is the guy? Another one, body width, right? Body width is equal to body width. Okay.
Width.
Next thing is fingerprints, right? Fingerprint, right? Fingerprint is
Yes.
equal to fingerprint. Okay, we will decide what type of data it is. Okay, now at runtime.
Okay.
Okay, in case of compiled languages, we have to specify while defining this method itself. We have to specify what type of this parameter is. If it is integer, we have to specify into and parameter name. Okay, now Python we do not need to specify while defining. Okay, now it's a dynamic type language, right, guys?
Yes.
So it is not a compiled language, it's a scripting language. You don't need to specify type while defining variables or parameters. Here also in compiled language we have to specify type before like initializing data like this. Okay.
Okay.
So we do not need to worry about that initialization. Whatever data we pass, right, runtime it will take. Okay. You just want to make sure what data we are passing is exactly intended purpose. Okay. Wow. Based on the name, we can detect, right? It is integer or it is a string or something. Based on that, you can pass the data. Understood, guys? So
Yes.
diff. I think we are not going to check the mobile height, width, and all, right? But it's appearing to us, right? But let's say